Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, but quarantine has sis filming again. So stay tuned and watch me create this look. So I always start with my dip brow in the color Ebony by Anastasia. Tame those brows. And then I'm using my Naked Skin foundation by Decay. Buff that in really well, ladies. Do not forget to go under that scar. I'm going in with my Prep and Prime highlighter by MAC in the color Peach Luster. Take that down the bridge of my nose. We're going to buff that out really well with a damp sponge. I'm using the color Carob, which is the darkest color in the Deep Contour Kit by Anastasia. So after I blend that out, I'm going to set it with my Translucent Medium Deep Powder by Mercier. I'm using my favorite blush by MAC in the color Raizin. So now I'm going to take the translucent powder and try to create a defined jawline. So I buff that out, I set my face, and then I buff it again, just so it's not a harsh line. And yes, girl, look at the beads, but I'm just blessed to have edges, so I'm gonna let them rock. With this look, I do a wing liner. It's not thick, so to me it's not dramatic, something you can definitely get away with every day. It's not bad. I definitely was not impressed so far, but I kept it going. I'm using my Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC, and then I'm going in with my Lipstick Queen in the color Peachy Nude Center. On top, I'm going to dot just a little bit of the Pearl Lip Gloss by MAC. I think I'm going to go with this one. So I just washed all my brushes, and yeah, I just assumed they would be dry by now. They ain't, but it's all good. I don't like a lot. Like, some people be doing those. I just want a little glow. That's all I be needing, a little glow. You know? Juvia, baby. Juvia, baby. You did these. I've never been so impressed. Like, this is my favorite one. And I mean, I've gone through tons. You know, MAC, of course, back in the sparkle. Yeah, she did that. You on to something, Juvie. You on to something. Alright, let me stop. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna tone it down just a little bit. Got a little happy, but she's still cute. And then just tap against my brow bone. Not too much. I mean, literally, that's all I did. I tapped it, and I'm gonna leave it alone. Tap and leave it just like that. Tap. Feeling it. Wait till I put on my wig. Once I put on my wig, I'm gonna be a whole new gal. Wait till I put on my wig. Okay, y'all. So I went back and put some mascara on my bottom lashes, which was necessary. I don't know how I forgot to do that. But anyway, this is the final look. Alright you guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!